We will solve today the homework for the lesson Lines in Coordinate Plane. The homework, page 194. Number 5. He asked you to graph each line. Here we have the equation of the line y equal negative 3x plus 4. To graph any line, you must know which form this equation in. Okay, so y equal negative 3x plus 4. So in which form? Y equal mx plus b in slope intercept form. Excellent. From this equation you can get b, or the y-intercept. It's 4. And what is the slope? The slope here is negative 3. So the b is 4 and the slope is negative 3. If it's whole, so the denominator always equal 1. So it will be negative 3 over 1. Why we need to write the slope as fraction? Because we need to get rise and run, numerator and denominator. Okay, so to graph any linear function, you need 2 points or point and slope. So here we have the point. What is the point? You get the point from the y-intercept. Always the y-intercept 0 and the y-intercept. So the point, it will be 0 and 4. So it will be 0 and 4. This is the point. And from the point, we will get the second point by the slope. The slope is negative 3. We said always the rise first, up or down. The direction depends on the sign. Here the sign is negative, so we will go down. So we will go 3 units down and 1 unit to the right. So we get the second point. Connect between them to graph the line. If we need to graph the line accurate, so we can repeat the slope. We can go 3 units down and 1 unit to the right to get the third point to be accurate line, to graph the line. Okay, number 6. The equation is y plus 4 equal 2/3 open the parenthesis x minus 6. In which form? Excellent, in point slope form. What is the point here? The point is, this is x minus x1, so this is the x1. So the x here is 6 and minus y1. So the y is negative 4. I said please get the opposite of the number. Here x minus 6, so it's negative 6, so inverse it or get the opposite, so it will be 6. And here positive 4, so the y it will be negative 4. So this is the point. The point is 6 and negative 4. And what is the slope? 2/3. We have point and we have a slope, so we can graph the line. Plot 6 and negative 4. 6 and negative 4, this is x-axis. What is 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and negative 4, so I will go 4 units down. So this is the point of 6 and negative 4. And what is the slope? 2/3, so I will go up 2 units and go 3 units to the right. So we get the second point. Connect between them so we can graph the line. Understood? Number 7. X equal 5. X equal 5. So the line will be, excellent, vertical line. If it's y equal number, so the line it will be a horizontal line. And from here, x equal 5. What is the x-intercept? The x-intercept is 5. And what about the y-intercept? There is no y-intercept. Why? Because the line parallel to y-axis. So the line will not intersect with the y-axis. So we don't have any y-intercept. Please, it's a very important information. So if the line is vertical, the equation of it, x equal